I'm Mr. Morton. We're going to be teaching you how to do addition, subtraction, and multiplication today. We're going to be using the environment and lots of interesting and fun ways to teach you how to do these basic math concepts. Okay, for the addition section, we're going to teach you how to go from 1 to 3.
Okay. So we're going to start with addition. So we're going to start with one rock. When we have one rock and we want to add something to it, we would add 2 rocks. So if we have 2 rocks plus the original 1 rock that we had, we now have 3. Then if we have 2 rocks,
let's try adding like 2 this time instead of 2.
We can add 3 rocks to that. 1, 2, and 3. And we have 5 rocks all together now. So let's say we keep our 5 rocks here. So if we have 5 rocks and we want to add 5 more to it, we would add 1 more, 2 more, it's gonna be bad, 3 more, 4, and 5 more. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rocks. So we're gonna start with 1 rock again. And if we have 1 rock and we add 6 rocks, we have 1 more added, 2 more added, 3 more added, 4 more added, 5 more added, and 6. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Hello, my name is Mr. Kuhn, and I'm going to be teaching you subtraction today. Subtraction is very useful and helps us to get from 3 to 2 to 1.
Alright, so like we discussed earlier, subtraction, we're taking away things. So for subtraction, we're going to start out with 4 rocks. So we have 4 rocks and we subtract 2, so we take away 2. So we take away this one, and we're left with 2. So we have 1 and 2. Now we'll start with a little bit bigger numbers. We'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now I have 7 rocks. We want to take away 2. So we'll take away 1 here and 1 here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rocks left. Okay, so we now have 10 rocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If we take away 2 rocks, so we'll take away both of his eyes. You can't see anymore. Well, yeah, I guess you can actually. You have 2 new eyes. So how many rocks do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll just keep these 8 rocks and we'll take away 3 more. So we'll take away a part of his tooth there, and then we'll take away his nose, and we'll take away 1 of his eyes. So how many rocks do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is Mahar, and I'm going to be teaching you multiplication today, and I'm going to teach you how to go from 1 to many. So for multiplication, we're going to start with 2 times 2. So in multiplication, the first number is the number of times you are adding the second number. So if it's 2 times 2, it's going to be 2. And then since we're adding 2 times the second number, it'll be 2 times 2, which is what? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if we do 3 times 2, remember the first number is multiplying, is the number of times we're adding the second number. So we're adding together 2 3 times. So we have 2, that's 1, plus 2 is 2, plus another 2, that gives us 3 sets of 2's, which all together is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now if we did something a little bit bigger, if we did something like 3 times 3, we're going to have 3 sets of 3, because the first number gives us the number of the second one. So we have our first set of 3, which is 1 set. Then we have our second set of 3, but since we said 3 times 3, we need 3. And we have our third set of 3. So all together we have 3 sets of 3, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if we did 2 times 4, that gives us 2 sets of the second number, which is 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives us 4. That's 1 set. And then we need a second one. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that gives us 1 set of 4, 2 sets of 4, which all together means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm Mr. Mahar. Today we learned basic addition, subtraction, and multiplication. With what you learned, We want you to go to Khan Academy tonight and do some practice problems, and then tomorrow we're going to have a non-graded quiz to test what you learned and if you learned anything extra at Khan Academy.